frame will be provided in 4 separate pieces. This is for ease of delivery and access to the property. The head of the frames will be provided with sealing pads. This ensures the head of the frame is sealed to the jambs. No silicone will be required. The sealing pads will do the job. Offering the jamb to the head of the frame, ensuring the frame is level. Using the fixing screws provided, screw the head to the jamb. Use 5 screws in total. Repeat this on the opposite side. Before fixing the threshold to the jamb, you must seal the bottom seal in place along the joint. This is the only joint which is not sealed by the base sealing pad. Repeat this on the opposite side. Offering the threshold to the jambs, screw the threshold to the jambs using the screws provided. The holes will already be pre-drilled by the fabricator. This completes the frame. Clear the door's aperture of any dust, debris or moisture. Using iso chemi tape, ensuring the blue is to the outside of the property. Lay the tape around the edge, starting with the top centre. When you get to the corner, make a loop of about 1 inch. This will help with expansion. Go all the way around the frame. Once you get back to the meeting point in the centre, mitre the cut at 45 degrees. This will ensure that the seal is complete. Use a clamp to ensure that the tape does not expand. Once the tape has been fitted, then gently put the frame into the aperture. First of all, ensuring that the threshold is nice and level. Fix the frame 200mm in from each corner and then every 600mm thereafter. Once the frame is fixed, you need to check the diagonals, ensuring the diagonals are within 2mm. A final check, which we recommend, is using a laser level. This will ensure the head of the frame is level and also the threshold. The tape will expand and close the gap around the door with no need for silicones. Offer the head of the sash into the frame and then pushing in at the threshold. You then need to slide it against the frame, removing the beads. The fixed sash needs to be screwed into position. Again, screwing 200mm from each corner and 600mm thereafter. The sliding sash glides on the bogie wheels. Offering the sliding sash into the frame, place the bogie wheels on the track. Using the shortest half of the head track, fit the track guide, slide the track to the end of the frame and screw into position. Take the longer head track, fit the track guide and then screw the track into position. Using the female part of the track guide, offer it to the male part and screw into position. Repeat this on both sides of the sash. This is a public access threshold. It consists of two components, the threshold adapter, which allows you to build up to the same level as the inside of the property, and also the threshold cover plate, which sits on top. Once these two components are fitted, you have total level access. To fit the cover plate, ensuring that the rubber gasket is towards the back, so it seals against the threshold, simply press into position. Fitting the head cover trim, the seal is 2 inches longer than the cover trim. Feed this in to the rubber seal on the fixed sash. Then knock into position. With the jam cover, knock this into position also. Using the glazing bridges provided, lay 3 glazing bridges at the bottom of the fixed sash. Offer the glass into the aperture, ensuring that the coverage is evenly all round. Using glazing packers to do this. When you're happy that the glass is level, fit the glazing beads in position. On the sliding sash, you need to fit the glazing bridges across the bottom and up the jambs. Silicone the packers into position, then fit the glazing beads. The handle provides the lift and slide motion. With a finger pull handle on the outside, screw the handle from the inside into the finger pull. Fit the cover plate. Fit the handle using the grub screw. To operate the door, you turn the handle through 180 degrees and gently slide the door open. To lock the door in an open position, you simply rotate the handle through 180 degrees. When the installation is complete, remove the protective tape.